Hi guys, in my last class you studied tenses, and out of tenses you studied simple past tense. Alright, I hope you remember where we use simple past tense. We use simple past tense for the actions that take place any time in the past. There are 4 forms of every tense: present, past and future, and these are simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. And today we are going to study past continuous tense. Right? So let's see where we use past continuous. Simple past is used for the actions that have taken place any time in the past. The time is mostly given. Right? So let's look at the uses of past continuous tense. See, in past continuous tense we write the actions which were continuing any time in the past. In simple past, action takes place in the past, but here the action was in progress. It continued over a period of time. It is not that action will be over in one go. It continued for some time. So this past continuous is used for expressing the action that was in progress at a time in the past. Example: I was playing. When I was playing carom when you came. So the time is when you came. This is time, because this tells you, this gives you some reference of time when you came. And at that time what was happening? I was playing carom. So playing of carom was in progress. This is how we express past continuous tense. Then second use is to express 2 or more actions in progress at the same time. Sometimes 2 actions are in progress simultaneously. So in past, when one action, for example, when you came, I was sleeping. No, when you came is a simple past tense. I was sleeping is past continuous. When I was sleeping, my mother was cooking. So 2 actions were happening at the same time. Okay, so we have such examples. While I was doing my homework, my brother was playing outside. So both the things were happening. My doing homework and my brother's playing outside. Both were happening at the same time. So it's called, the simultaneous actions. So past continuous is used to express simultaneous actions in the past. So one is like with some point of time something was in progress, and other one when one thing was happening at the same time something else was happening. Okay, so these are the uses of past continuous. Now what is the form of past continuous? Usually we use was or were. Was or were plus ing form. Like I was doing my homework. Boys were doing their homework. So with boys it would have been were. Boys were doing their homework. Okay. So let's look at the form of past continuous. Very simple. Subject plus was or were plus ing form of the verb. So with singular subject we use was, with plural we use were. Now look at the examples: affirmative, negative and interrogative. Affirmative: our team was losing the match. Simple. One statement, something was happening, our team was losing the match. Our team was not losing the match, and was our team losing the match? Interrogative. Next one. The judges were arguing over who should be chosen as best actor. The judges were not arguing over who should be chosen as best actor, and were the judges arguing over who should be chosen as best actor? Now, everywhere you hear judges were arguing, judges were not arguing, were the judges arguing. Next example. I was watching TV when the postman knocked. At some particular point of time, that is when the postman knocked, that was the time I was watching TV. So my watching TV was in progress. It was not over. It was in progress. I was not watching TV when the postman knocked. Was I watching TV when the postman knocked? Right? Next. We were planning to go on a picnic when the teacher entered the class. We were not planning to go on a picnic. And were we planning to go on a picnic? The rest remains the same. So this is affirmative, this is negative, and this is interrogative. This is how we change these sentences. This is called transformation of sentences, and this will be used in your next year. You have a topic, transformation of sentences. Now let's go to the last example. Maitri was writing a letter while I was reading a book. Two actions were happening at the same time. Maitri was not writing a letter while I was reading a book. And was Maitri writing a letter while I was reading a book? Fine. So these are the examples of all the three types. Now let's go ahead with the assignment. And what is the assignment today? There's a worksheet. You have to go through the worksheet and solve this worksheet. So what we are going to do, instead of giving you homework, I'm going to solve this worksheet here for you. So what you can do, you can just copy it down in your notebooks. Let's look at it. Fill in the blanks with the correct past continuous tense of the verbs given in brackets. So now this is have. Have is the verb. So I was having my lunch when the telephone rang. You can complete it. I was having. Next one. Nisha, listen. So Nisha was listening to the radio a while ago. Amar and Sonu. So since they are two, where swim will become swimming. Amar and Sonu were swimming in the pool this morning. Next. As it was, get will become getting. As it was getting late, Miss Bakshi took a taxi home. While Jeet and his friend were fishing by the river, they spotted a python. Mrs. Sood was typing a letter in the office late last night. The students were talking when the teacher walked in. Right? The students were talking. The baby was sleeping. The sleep will become sleeping in the cradle this morning. The children were playing in the garden just now. The thief was climbing out of the house through the window when the policemen surrounded him. We were watching television when the lights went out. The dog was chasing the birds away from his ball of food in the garden this morning. The burglar was trying to open the window when I spotted him. My friends and I were walking home after a game of soccer when we met Mrs. Sharma, our school principal. Next, he was doing his homework when his mother called him. The boys were playing soccer in the field when it rained. The twins were cycling down the lane when one of them fell. He was cleaning his car yesterday evening when his brother asked if he could borrow it. The wind was howling throughout the night. We were driving home when we saw the accident. So all 20 done, right? Now what you can do, you can copy it in your notebook. Right then, you can complete this work. Bye then for the moment. See you again day after tomorrow.